welcome back to my channel. Victoria here. If it's your first time stopping by, you're absolutely welcome. Today's video is going to be in partnership with Vooglam. They're a glasses store where they sell sunglasses, prescription glasses, just all sorts of glasses that you may be on the market for. They have them. Their slogan states, "You're born to be unique," which I absolutely love. They also offer free shipping over $59 as well as 50% off a second pair when you buy the first one, which is pretty dope because the glasses are already pretty affordable in the first place. But yeah, I'll be showing you guys a few of the pairs that I picked up, so let me know which one is your favorite in the comment section. So the first pair I have is this one that's called Leticia. As you can see, it is a rectangle shape and it does have a little bit of a cat eye on the top right here. And if you notice as well, there's like some three-dimensional kind of like ridges on the frame, which I really love as well. So it just adds like a little interesting kick to it without being too dramatic. So I really do like that. So this is what they look like on me. I actually had them put in a blue light blocking lens on this, so it's perfect for whenever I'm doing any admin work or just on my laptop for long periods of times or on my phone. I would go for this and just put them on, just protect my eyes from the blue light. Absolutely love this. One thing I noticed about their glasses is that it's super lightweight. It doesn't feel heavy at all on the face, and I just feel very comfortable. I'm not having that like tight compression on my nose that ruins the makeup as well. They're also super eyelash friendly, so I have lashes on, as you can see, but it's not affecting my lashes in any way, shape or form. But yeah, so this is what they look like, this first pair. Really love this. Like I said, it's perfect for everyday wear, and if you're just like a simple girly that just wants a frame that's very classy, super simple, I'll definitely recommend this. It comes with a bag, of course, like this. Comes with a bag, and then you also get a lens cloth to clean your lenses as well. So the next pair I have here is called Aina's, and this is what this one looks like. As you can see, it's multicolored, and this one has more of the cat eye, like it's more obvious on this lens. I really like this as well because it has a full frame on the top. However, on the bottom there is no frame on the bottom, so it just gives like an interesting like look to it, which I really like. And yeah, so this is just something very interesting for my girlies that just like a little oomph to their glasses. And yeah, so these are very comfortable, as you can see. So the next pair I have is called Dansby, and this one is also super cute. This is more rounded on the bottom, and it does still have that cat eye frame to the top of it. Like I said, if you notice, like most of what I got do have the cat eye look to it, just because I do feel like that looks the best on my face. So the frame is crystal. So this also comes with convenient nose pads to give you some extra comfort as well. So if that's something that you do like in your glasses, I'll definitely recommend this style to you. It's just in case you're not somebody that likes too much color or anything, this would go with so many different outfits just because it's clear and like crystal. And then the touch of gold as well will go with like gold accessories. And yeah, so I just love that you can mix and match, you know, like your outfits with this glasses. All right, so the next one I have is called Polina, and this is what it looks like. So as you can see, this also has that cat eye shape to it. So it's a tortoise color on the top right here, and then it has a little bit of an ombre gold brownish type of color going on the bottom, which I love to just add some character to it. And it also has the gold hardware in the center right here, and this is what it looks like on the sides. Not super thick or anything like that. So now the last pair that I have is this one. It's called Wahlburger. So this is what this looks like. Super cute. And if you notice on the sides, this one actually has like a nice triangle detail right here, and then the ombre purple as well that goes all around the frames, which I really love. Also has the same cat eye shape again, because like I said, y'all, it fits my face shape, so I just always go for this style with glasses, even with my sunglasses as well. And yeah, I'm gonna put this one on. Of course, this one is a little more picky with outfits, but you can still just use it as a pop of color in any of your outfits. Although this frame is a little bigger than the other ones, but it's still very comfortable, very high quality. It, like I said, the material is light, but it doesn't feel like cheap or like a toy, if that makes sense. Alright guys, so those are all the shades that I have to show you all. I hope you guys found this helpful, so be sure to check them out, and I'll of course leave my discount code for 15% off your purchase. And like I said, you do get free standard shipping over $59, as well as 50% off a second frame when you buy a first one. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and be sure to check out the links in my bio for all of the glasses and the direct links to them if you're interested in any of the styles I showed you guys. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.